Welcome to watch the introduction video of ND9012 Magic Cube Hydrafacial machine. One machine for different needs. It is truly a good company of your life. Lift the clean water bottle to fill with clean water. Lift up and uncap the bottle to fill with water, then put it back. Turn on the mirror light before operation. Take out the handle, then start using. Longer wire for easier and convenient use. Comfortable grip. Press the power button to start working. For better presentation, now testing on hand. There are totally wood gears. During use, the clean water flows into the dirty water bottle. Tape replacement demonstration. Hold the body, then unplug it. Replace suction tape directly. Cleansing demonstration. Put the self-circulating tape and press the self-circulation button to start working. Put back the handle after use. Lift up the dirty water bottle, uncap and empty the bottle, then refill with clean water. Welcome to watch the introduction video of ND9012 Magic Cube Hydrafacial machine.